How to model jelly in Nomad Sculpt. To begin, save the project first. I named it Jelly. Then open Scene and delete the default sphere. Add a new cylinder. Scale the radius and height down. And click Validate. Add a new quad sphere. And click Validate. Then go to Gizmo. Scale it inward to make it thinner. Then place it diagonally on the corner. Next, open Scene, click Add, and select Radial. Increase Radial Y to 8 by sliding it to the right. Make sure all the spheres cover the edge of the cylinder. If it's still visible, scale the sphere up. Then click Validate. Next, select all the objects and tap Boolean. Now, all the objects are merged together. Switch to the front view. And go to Trim. Choose Rectangle and turn on Auto Validate. Drag across the lower rounded area. It automatically cuts the selected object. Make sure there are no holes on the bottom. Then go to Voxel. Since the resolution is already high enough, just press Remesh. Open Operation and slide Smooth to the right, until the sharp edge becomes smoother. Then open Stroke Painting and change the color palette to red. Click Paint All. Then open Material. Change Type to Refraction. Then scroll down and turn on Colored Backface. Decrease Interior to -15.7%. Index of Refraction to 1.5. And Reflectance to 2.8%. Now the object becomes transparent and looks jelly-like. Then in the front view, open Scene and add a new tube. Tap Profile and use this default shape. Then enable 2 profiles by tapping it once. And enable 2 twist and 3 radius. Drag the top yellow dot to the left. And drag the top red dot slightly to the right. Then click Validate. Go to Gizmo. Scale it down and place it on top of the jelly. Now, let's make the cherry. Add a new quad sphere. And click Validate. Go to Drag and increase the intensity and radius. Press it slightly to create a more natural cherry form. Then switch to the top view and go to Crease. Make a small hole in the center. Then go to Drag and gently push the top inward to flatten it. Open Stroke Painting and change the color to dark red. Press Paint All. Go to Gizmo. Scale it down and place it diagonally next to the cream. Next, add a new tube. Scale the radius down. Turn on 3 radius. And add 2 more points in the center by tapping the line. Drag each yellow dots inward. Make the upper and lower parts wider and the middle part thinner. Turn on X-ray for better visibility. And click Validate. Then open Stroke Painting and change the color to green. Click Paint All. Scale it down and place it on top of the cherry hole. Turn off X-ray. Then open Operation and slide Smooth to the right. Now we are going to make the plate. Switch to the front view and turn on a grid. Go to Lathe. Choose Curve and enable Auto Validate. Draw the side profile of the plate. Switch to View mode. Then refine the line, making it straighter with a slight curve at the edge. Then click Validate. Go to Gizmo. Scale it up and flatten it. Then place the plate in the center of the jelly. Turn off Grid. Open Stroke Painting and change the color to yellow. Click Paint All. And we're done. This is the result in turntable mode.